Hey guys, welcome to Pathos Edition, where you've got unlimited creation. And today I'm gonna show you how to edit picture like smokerboy. And there is a reminder for you guys, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do consider subscribing my channel because I'll bring you more videos in future. To photo. It's time to show your creativity, guys. Go with several tattoos, lens flare, and things like that. To learn how I did that tattoo, please refer to my previous tutorial. And here our image is ready. Now show off to the world. If you like this video, please like the video. If you think like sharing this video, please share this video. And please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And this is Path Vagela signing off. Peace.